Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, we're back with another session for ESIC Deputy Director, and this is Language Comprehension session 12, and we'll be discussing some important multiple choice questions for in this session. So guys, these sessions are very important for your preparation and for your practice. So before we begin, I would like to request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos and updates, and join our Telegram channel to find the PDFs of these sessions for free. The link for our Telegram channel has been given in the description of the video. So without any further ado, let's jump into the session. So guys, we'll be discussing 15 multiple choice questions, and today we'll be focusing on error detection questions. So let's practice together. So question number one, we have to find the part which has the grammatical error in it. So here goes the question. Educated Indians as well as politicians by and large appears to be well aware of, though not necessarily well versed with certain provisions of the constitutions. So educated Indians, I found my mistake. Educated Indians is plural, and for a plural subject we do not use a singular verb. So it should not be appears, it should be appear. So the correct option was option number B, right? So that's how you basically figure out the errors. So guys, you have to look at the subject verb agreement, the conjunctions, the prepositions, the verb, noun, pronoun, and everything has to be in order to find the error in these sentences. Moving ahead guys, question number two. Let's read the questions. The reported observations of the Honorable Court during the hearing show that the actions of the state of Haryana was in clear violation of the directions. So see, there are two clauses in the sentence. The reported observations of the Honorable Court during the hearing show. Show is absolutely correct according to observations. That, but in the second clause, that the actions of the state of Haryana. Now, the subject was actions. The actions of the state of Haryana was, so it should not be was, it should be were in clear violation of the directions. So the correct option is option number C, option number 3. It should be not was, it should be were. Moving ahead guys, again to find the error in the sentence. The new goods and services tax will be applicable on any known monetary fringe benefit an employee get from his employer. Again, a question of subject verb agreement. The new GST tax will be applicable on any non-monetary fringe benefit. Any non-monetary fringe benefit an employee get, or it should be gets. So as a singular subject, it should take a singular verb. It should be gets from his employer. So there are some questions on subject verb agreement. So you should be careful about these questions. Next question guys, order has been issued for his transfer to another district, but he has not received them so far. Guys, you should know the difference between the word order and orders. Order is sequence, sit in a proper order, ascending order, descending order, but the instructions that you receive from your superiors, they are not order, they are orders. So it should be orders have been. The correct the correct replacement should be orders have been issued for his transfer to another district, but he has not received them so far. So it should be orders have been, not order has been. Moving on to the next question guys. Although she has studied English for almost a year, she is yet to learn the alphabets. Now again a question based on nouns. Guys, there is no such word as alphabets. Alphabets basically means different languages, but when you are talking about ABCD, ABCD are letters, not alphabets. So it should be alphabet. Although she has studied English for almost a year, she is yet to learn the alphabet, not alphabets. So that is the correct replacement here. So correct option is option number C. Moving ahead guys, I haven't gone through the letter, so I'm not aware of its content. So guys, you should know the difference between again the word content and contents. Content basically means satisfied, and contents basically means ingredients. So content is wrong here, it should be content. So I have not gone through the letter, so I'm not aware of its contents, not content. Content is satisfied. I'm content at my salary. I'm content with my life. But empty the contents of the bag. So contents are ingredients. Moving ahead guys, my friend is honest and hardworking, isn't it? Now guys, this is a question of question tag. So guys, when we are talking about a human being, we cannot use it here. It should be he. So my friend is honest and hardworking, isn't he? So when we speak of a person, we cannot use it for for the person, because he's a living being, so we should use he. So my friend is honest and hardworking, isn't he? Moving ahead, guys, next question. The poor man poisoned him and his own children. Now, this is a question of pronouns. The poor man poisoned him and his own children. It should be the poor man poisoned himself and his own children. So that is the correct replacement here. The poor man poisoned himself and his own children. Next question, guys. Question number 9. May I know to who I am speaking? Now, guys, this is again a question based on pronoun. May I know to who or to whom? So may I know to whom I am speaking, because we are referring to a third person here. Moving on to the next question, guys. Question number 10. Someone, perhaps Emmanuel or Paul, know the right wine to serve with earthworm lasagna. Guys, you should remember these words: each, everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, no one, nobody, anyone, anybody, one, any, and every. So these words, if they become the subject of a sentence, they always remain singular and they take a singular verb. So it should be not know, it should be knows. So someone, perhaps Emmanuel or Paul, knows the right wine to serve with earthworm lasagna. Next question, guys. Question number 11. Every cereal ball, see, the first word is every, that should be singular. Every cereal ball in casserole dish have slipped out or has slipped out. So guys, always remember, whenever we use a singular pronoun or a singular subject, the verb has also to be kept singular. So it should be every cereal ball in casserole dish has slipped out of Sheila's soapy hands. So the correct option here was option number B. Moving on to the next question, guys. In recent weeks, India as well as China have maintained diplomatic communication in respect of incident at Doklam. So, what should be the error here, guys? In recent weeks, India as well as China have maintained or has maintained. See, when two nouns are not joined by and, they cannot take a plural verb. So, subject in this sentence is only India. In recent weeks, India as well as China. The subject is India, not China. So it should be has maintained diplomatic communication in respect of incident at Doklam. Moving on to the next question, guys. Question number 13. You should always be true to your words if you are to succeed in life. So you should always be true to your words. Now, guys, words are combination of alphabet. It should be word. So you should always be true to your word. That means your promise. So I'm a man of my word. You should be true to your word. Word is promise. So you should always be true to your word if you are to succeed in life. So that is the correct replacement here. Question number 14, guys. I shall not attend the meeting since I have many works to complete within allotted time. So guys, works is wrong here. We do not use works in a plural sense. So it should be much work. Not many works, it should be much work. I shall not attend the meeting since I have much work to complete within allotted time. That is the correct replacement. And last question for today, guys. It is a pity that even 5-year-old boys are engaged in hazardous factories. Guys, whenever a number is followed by two or more nouns, the nouns in the middle act as adjective and they are to be kept in singular form. So it should not be years, it should be year. So it is a pity that even 5-year-old boys are engaged in hazardous factories. Guys, these were the 15 multiple choice practice questions for you for the exam ESIC Deputy Director. So I hope you have learned and you've practiced a lot from these sessions. So thank you so much, guys. And if you want to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on any of the videos, please do so. And you can join our Telegram channel for all the PDFs of these sessions for free. The link of our Telegram channel has been given in the description of the video. You can join us and you can get all the PDFs for free. Now, thank you so much for your time and for your patience and for joining in. And I hope these sessions will prove very beneficial for your preparation. If you wish to contact us for anything, you can give us a call on this number 8146207241, or you can drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in, and you can surf or browse our courses on this site www.edutap.co.in. So I wish you all the success in life, all the best for your preparation, and I wish that your endeavors come true. So stay safe, stay healthy, and happy learning to all of you guys.